So today we are at Great Wolf Lodge for the weekend on a family getaway. I got my bestie right here. We got Tristan, we got Mir, Isla, Sneezing, and we got Mesa. So yeah, we're gonna check out the room in a second. Took the kids on a vacation to Great Wolf Lodge. We are now checking in. We got Mesa and Amir over here. Yeah. So we finally made it into our room, but we're gonna do a bug check.
Look at this bed. Can I take my shoes off?
No, you cannot. No, you cannot. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our room. This is the bathroom here. Okay, hold on. It's a standard bathroom. We have a bed here, another bed here. Stop.
That's a porch.
Here, and we have a chest over here
Don't look off the edge.
with Mesa,
Whatever y'all do, don't look off the edge.
and we have a small
Don't
balcony looking out over the lodge. We are checking the bugs. This is my outfit of the day. I did do a video on it on my... I'm gonna leave the link here. You can watch all the cute stuff that I got from Target. So I wanted it to fit really baggy so it could be comfortable. Come here, Mesa. Let me see your outfit. Is he? Okay. So this is Mesa's outfit, and I just got this from Ross. Your boy is just huge. Come stand next to me. No. So this is Masai, my oldest son, if y'all didn't know. He's only 13. I think he's already at 6 feet. Right? We got Amir down here. Oh, that's Isla.
It's not really that big. I can you.
Okay guys, we just got finished eating dinner and I didn't vlog because we were so hungry, but basically we had some burgers and now we are going to go walk around a bit. And Isla changed her clothes. Let me show you her outfit. Let me see your
This
outfit.
is my pajamas.
Oh, her pajamas. Here, put this on. Are you staying here or are you going with us?
I'm going to the candy store.
But we're walking around too.
You're walking around like all. I just want to go to the candy store.
Okay, get your mask and your shoes and your sneakers.
Where's this going?
Yeah.
What mask?
Let me see your outfit, Isla. You're not going nowhere.
Follow the footprint.
Let me see.
Follow the footprints, Mom.
Follow the footprint.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. They got ice cream. Dunkin Donuts. There's the hotel. Are you having fun?
I got the we get in the water and we get it was so cool.
Yeah.
We changed our clothes.
So we just got the water. We ate some food, but it wasn't nothing special. Just chicken fingers and.
I put
you
my
know.
food in the refrigerator, my drink.
You put your drink and your food in the refrigerator.
Yes.
We are going to take a nap because I think we're going to try to do some activities later. And I know that if I don't lay down, if they don't lay down and take a nap, then it's going to be crazy, right?
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah, so we're going to try to take a nap. And I will pick the camera back up later to show you guys what we get into and how much fun we're going to have.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad that I waited.
So much
That we waited until today to get in the pool because it was less people in there today.
Going to the water park.
Okay, so we are now officially out the hotel room. And we're now out the hotel room. So we are going to try to catch up with Massa and them as they do the quest. Let me see your outfit. So cute, mama. So cute.
Why somebody always have birthday?
Okay, everybody, today is our last day here. We are leaving and finally going home. Back to virtual learning, back to working from home, back to where we live. Yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to close this vlog out, and I hope you enjoyed our mini vacation vlog. All right, we check you out next time. Bye-bye.